In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover access to your Telegram account if you've lost or been banned from your phone number. This process involves reaching out to Telegram support to request assistance. We'll go through each step of the process, ensuring that you understand precisely what to do. Let's get started. First, you'll want to visit the official Telegram support page. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to telegram.org/support. This is an essential part of the process, as it's where you'll submit the necessary information to get help from the Telegram support team. Once you're on the page, you'll see an option to fill out the support form, which is what we'll be focusing on next. Now, let's go through filling out that form. The first piece of information you need to provide is your phone number. Make sure to enter the phone number that you've lost access to or been banned from, and don't forget to include your country code. This ensures the support team has the correct number associated with your account. For example, if your number is a Philippines number, you would enter it as +63123456789. Following this, you'll need to supply your active email address. This should be the email where you're comfortable receiving a response from Telegram. It's crucial for effective communication, so make sure this email is currently accessible and one that you frequently check. You'll also have to provide your full legal name as it's used for verification purposes. Enter your real name to make sure there's no discrepancy during the verification process. This helps Telegram support identify and confirm your identity correctly. Next, you'll see a space labeled "Please describe your problem." Here, you'll need to clearly and politely explain your situation. An example message could be, "Hello, Telegram support. I lost access to my old phone number and cannot log in to my Telegram account. I would like to recover my account and link it to my new number. Please guide me on the next steps. Thank you for your assistance." It's important to keep this message brief yet informative, focusing on the main issue and the resolution you're seeking. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, you'll be ready to move on to the final step. Simply locate the Submit button on the page and click it. After submitting the form, wait for a response from Telegram support. Be sure to routinely check the email inbox you provided for any communication from them regarding your issue. And there you have it. By carefully following these steps and providing accurate information, you'll be well on your way to regaining access to your Telegram account. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you secure your connection with Telegram once again.